Right, for the attitude, I think the most important is to be punctual because this is the basic requirements, and it seems also to show you are well prepared, right? For dress code, it depends because if you are asking for a designer job, then your stylish dress code may be an advantage. Okay, if it is for merchandising, then the company will expect that you are detail-minded. So the dress should not be that funky. So dress code, make it simple, okay, and clean. That will be good. For the portfolio, if you are interviewing for a designer job, then of course you need to show your creativity, your handwriting, your sketching skills, or even computer skill, but not necessarily all related to fashion. That anything that you can show your creativity will do. For other jobs, your portfolio may not, for example, if you are not very good at drawings or in designing, your portfolio can also be a good one. If you have joined any extracurricular activities or you have got any award for your other talents, for example, debate, for example, like your movie taking, something like that. Any hobbies that can show your talents can be put in portfolio. Well, every companies are looking for good persons. Okay, good persons means first is attitude. Attitude can count for a lot. Not just your academic qualification, but they will ask look for a person who is active, who is have positive feelings, even you have faced some challenges or some situation is difficult, you don't give up, and you tend to be willing to ask, willing to learn, willing to work hard, and of course the best is if you can also contribute to the company. Then in this win-win situation, the partnership will be much longer, and the company may also like to employ you further later. The attitude, I think first is to be patient, to be very collaborative, because different companies will have different situations. Sometimes you get lots of work, and of course that will be a good thing, okay? Even though sometimes you don't have nothing to do, be patient and try to observe, try to be active, smiling, and also try to get something that you can help. Okay, then be active, because don't just sit here and wait for people's supervision, because everybody is so busy. Okay, so if you think you like to get more others experience, then try to ask politely. Okay, I think you should not be too proactive. Okay, find the find the values from your jobs. No matter it's a simple job or frustrated jobs, still you can learn something from it. For example, the computer, the operation, the company culture, how people manage things, how people deal with difficulties, all this can be learned. Of course, I hope all the kind of knowledge that students have learned in the school can be applied, but don't expect so, because I don't know what exactly you will do in the company. Okay, for example, for fitting, okay, some companies are willing to let you see the fitting. That would be great. Then your the knowledge in body beauty and fit, for example, can be used. And sometimes if you work for a small company, then in this case your boss may like you to present to their staff what have you learned from the university. And of course you can make use of that what you have learned, and with your reorganized PowerPoint, you can present it even more professionally. Okay, that will also be good. Sometimes the companies would like you to do a survey, okay, on the streets or in mainland China. Then of course you can use what you have learned from the FYP. Yeah, as I experienced, many students got more matured after the internship. Especially their EQ will be much better. Okay, that's very important. As I have got the comments from the industry, they appreciate very much. For example, this year, Yorsberry has appraised our final year students, saying that their EQ is extremely good. Okay, this is something that they appreciate very much. And also in Clover. Okay, one time I joined their dinner, and 3 of the students got award in terms of improvement. Okay, and their boss also told us that their EQ is brilliant. Alright, I think internship gives you a very good time to train yourself. Don't be too little girls. Be mature. Okay, think and be considerate, and also can accept the comments and criticism. Well, I'm proud of you. Proud of our previous students because we receive a lot of good comments. For example, they always said our students are very hardworking, and they also have creative mind. Sometimes a company asks our students to give comments on their operation procedures and how to improve the working styles or the system. They can easily find out some very good suggestions. Although it may not be all practical, but as a youngsters, you are very good in thinking new things. So it's good. And also they said our students are very good following the instructions, and they're very active whenever they don't find they're not very sure about how to do the job, they will ask, okay, and that's very good. One thing that you may not think of, because our intimate apparel industries, many people are very people-oriented. They are very concerned on the personal touch, personal feelings. So one year, a company has put a lot of efforts to train up several students. But after a few months, okay, they expect that the students will come back to the company or give a call to the trainer that show their appreciation and the thank you message. But after students have finished the interns, they disappear and have no more contact with the company. Then the boss will feel not very well. And it is something that you should know. For everyone, okay, future careers is something that you should enjoy. So find a career, a job that you are happy with, okay. If you are interested in the job, no matter how hard it is, you will be successful. But of course, if you don't know your character yet, okay, then try to test, okay, do some personality tests, then you know what kind of person you are. If you are a creative person, okay, you are not very good at details, okay, or not very good in organization, then you should find a job that don't require that details. If you are very good in compliance, then probably you are very detail-minded, then maybe merchandising job is good for you. So it all depends on your own personality and how the job match with you.